Hi guys, Zechy here. Hope you're doing well. Today I changed the laser printer transfer belt for a stainless steel shim. So let me show you what we've done. When I was printing that kryptonite spear last time, I noticed that the laser printer transfer belt isn't very durable. You can see in this photo that there are some little marks on it. When I skip a step and it moves slightly, it touches the belt and then it damages it. So I decided to change to stainless steel belt again. I loosened the T-slot nuts to take up the slack in the belt, loosen it on the other side, and then just take off the old belt. You can see the mirror with the heated bed glued to it. It's only lying on those two aluminium extrusions in the middle there. I don't know which thickness of shim is going to work the best yet, so I bought this 0.1mm shim and I'm just rolling it around to get the length that I need. In my first prototype I used 0.05mm shim and that seemed to work quite well, but it did feel a bit thin, you know, like aluminium foil thin. I felt like it could be damaged quite easily. So this time I decided to try 0.1mm shim. To make sure the belt is square, I overlap the bottom quite a lot with the top. So the length of this shim is 1.2 meters. So I just make sure that the sides are parallel and then the belt will be square. Once I had it more or less in position, I used some acetone to take the grease off the shim. First I take some Kapton tape and just stick the top of the belt. Unfortunately I don't have any wider Kapton tape. So once I've done the top, I take the belt off the bed. I then clean the bottom, overlap, and I put some Kapton tape at the bottom. I'm not sure if it's the best to have tape at the top and the bottom, because when the overlapping pieces are lying flat on the bed, they're obviously the same length, but once you go around a roller, then the outside has to be longer than the inside to roll smoothly. And as you can see in the photo here, when it's lying flat at the moment, I've got a sort of a bubble there. It's not perfect. So that's still a work in progress. Okay, so enough talking, let's do a test print. So here I'm printing a benchy and I'm using the raft that Black Belt Cura now supports. You can see that the belt is very rigid. It's much better print quality. Here are some close-up photos of the benchy. I think this benchy came out very well. There's a little bit of stringing, but I think it's my best benchy so far. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.